I started today's session with a $150 trade, just testing the setup. One by one, the signals lined up and I ended the session with over $1,800 in profit. Let me show you exactly how this happened in today's training session. Let's get into the charts. Okay guys, so let's get into today's trading session. Just like usual, I've already selected a couple of assets right above that have the best payout percentages and also the best movement patterns. So today we're going to be trading OTC, and as you can see, all of the currency pairs have OTC status, so it also has a very high percentage. That's why I'm actually trading it. And these are the indicators we're going to be using for today's trade. So we have our Bollinger Bands with this settings. We have our fractal. You know I love my fractal. And we also have, okay, let's do period 3. Okay, yeah. And we also have our RSI indicators. We have two. The first one was the period of 5 and the second was the period of 10. Now that's going to help us to really monitor our overbought and oversold areas. So that is really it for the indicators, and this is a very universal strategy, so you can use this across multiple kinds of charts and markets. When we're trading with the trend, and maybe sometimes I might also trade against the trend, so just try to pay attention so you understand the different situations to use this strategy. And yeah, I'm gonna try my best to make it as simple as possible. I'm starting with a 1 minute time frame for all the trades, just like I usually do. The first trade is going to be half of my balance, which is $150. Let's see how much we can, make from today, guys.
If you want to trade like a pro, make sure you subscribe to this channel right now. Daily trading signals, winning strategies that actually work, live trading and profit breakdowns. Don't miss out on game-changing content that can make you serious money. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a trade.
Okay guys, so I'm just taking the first trade for buy gear, and I'm actually following the trend for this one, and it's also a pretty good entry point since this candle just showed a slight downward movement, so we got a really good entry point for the first trade. Before there was a touch of the Bollinger Bands, as you can see, which is also indicated by the fractal as a local minimum over there. So it's kind of telling us a continuation of the upward trend is happening. Now we can also see a reversal slightly happening as the market is exiting the oversold areas of both RSI indicators. So we should be getting a decent push to the upside, guys. But this is a very clear market dynamics, and if you are not new to trading, this should have been an easy trade for you to read. Anyways, that's it for the first one. We are already in green. Sweet, guys. First trade in a profit. I like to start my sessions with a profit. Okay guys, let's look for the next asset to trade and see what we can do.
If you're serious about making money from trading, stop watching and start taking action. Inside my exclusive Telegram channel, I drop high accuracy signals, pro trading tips, and real-time updates to help you win big. Don't trade alone. Trade smart with the best. Click the link below and join the winning team now.
Okay guys, so here we're opening the trade in a buy, as we can see. If the price goes further down, I'm already prepared to up my balance and take another trade to cover up for the loss. But I think we still got at a good level. We're caught at the momentum of this candle right now. We see a formation of a previous local minimum. Now we can see prices touching the bands 2 times. I'm expecting price to push up from this level it is on right now, just because it's touching the band and there was also a previous local minimum formed. I really think there's potential for further upward movement, guys. Reading off the market structure, there's not too much information given from the RSI for these trades, to be honest. Okay guys, so we lost the first one. I guess the momentum wasn't strong enough to really push in our direction, unfortunately. But it's fine. The markets are like this. You can't win all the time. The logic was correct. As you can see, the market is pushing up in that direction right now. It's just that we didn't have enough momentum to make that happen. But it's fine. Let's I'm not going to open any deal here just because the momentum is not too strong enough. So if I do enter a trade, it might still not go in my direction for this particular asset. So let's wait a bit and look for another asset maybe to get into another trade. Okay guys, so here for this one, I'm opening a trade in a sell, and this is actually a very nice trade. So we're kind of get the retracement. Market is in an upward trend, but after making this high, this local maximum, I'm expecting price to go further down to retrace. We can see in the RSI, it's screaming overbought. They're both in the overbought zone, and the market just wants to correct itself after this strong upward move it made earlier. So, its price is literally kissing the upper band of the Bollinger Band. After this, I'm expecting price to push back down just to regulate and balance itself out. I am kind of skeptic about the entry point. It might not have been the best entry point, but still, we are getting decent push in our direction, which is something to be happy about. Nice couple of seconds, guys. Come on, go. Don't do this to me. Okay guys, we made it. The entry point wasn't the best. At literally the last seconds, the price was about to take us out, but I guess we were lucky today, which is very good. If we had a better entry point, I would have been more pleased. Just that I didn't want to miss this move, so I still got into the market. Guys, just make sure to manage your risk. I mean, I'm doing this because I'm trying to show you how the strategy works and what's possible, like what you can earn with trading. But if you're trading, try to make sure you manage your risk properly, because every trade is not gonna work in your favor. Like some trades will be in a loss, as you saw. Like my first couple of trades where one of them was in the loss. Anyways, guys, let's keep on trading and look for the next entry. Look for the next optimal position to get into the market. Okay guys, so here I saw another entry, guys, and I took a deal for a sell here, and there are multiple reasons why I took this in a down for a downtrend, and I'm gonna talk about that actually right now. There was a decent price pullback in this area, as you can see, and we had multiple touches on the Bollinger Bands. Now the RSI is also gradually exiting the overbought area, as you can see clearly. Both of them are actually exiting the overbought area, which is signaling a reversal in dynamics. So we should be getting a decent push downwards after touching the Bollinger Bands. RSI is giving us overbought zone. We should be getting a decent push downwards, guys. I really hope that you're able to understand this strategy. It's clear as day. And if you have any questions, make sure to hit me up on Telegram. I'm going to leave the link to my Telegram group in this video. It's completely for free. Sweet, guys. We're already in a profit. Amazing. Amazing. It's really this simple, guys. Like, it's really this simple. And once you see it, you cannot unsee it. That's how trading is. So this signal is a really simple strategy, basically. Just reading off the fractal, the Bollinger Bands, and also the RSI oscillator to get the overbought and oversold zones. Like I said, try to get trades in your direction, in the direction of the trend. Those are more reliable, especially if you're just starting out. But with the more experience you get, you can get trades also at the reversal points. Guys, let's see if we can up our money, and I'm gonna take a big risk here. I'm gonna see what exactly we can make from today's trading. This might go against me, but I'm going to try my best to get the highest optimal trade. So I got here for a buy, and this is a decent trade. I'm not going to lie. If it wasn't, I wouldn't have put all my money on it. So first of all, we can see the structure over here. That there are multiple touch points on this level, okay? And there's not really a clear movement in dynamics. I can see market is kind of like ranging. It's like a downtrend, but currently it's ranging, okay? But we still see multiple touch points at this area. It's acting like a support. So I'm expecting price to make another local minimum at this area and bounce off. Now price is already exiting the oversold zones on both indicators, which is also just furthering our confirmation of this trade. Market is gonna push up from here. It may not, but most likely will. And as you can see, a couple of seconds, 5, 4, 3, 2, bullseye, baby! Oh my god, this is crazy. sometimes the risk is worth it, guys. This is crazy, guys. Okay, I'm really satisfied with the profits I made today. I wasn't expecting to make this amount of money today. I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. Let me just take one more trade with $180, and I call it a day, guys. This is the last trade. This is the last trade we're taking for today. I really hope that the strategy is kind of more easier to understand now after watching my trades. Let me see if I can take another trade just to further explain it for you guys. And let's see how it plays out. Make sure to join my free Telegram group if you're just starting out trading, guys. You don't want to miss that. Okay, guys, so we opened here for a buy, and I guess you can probably understand why we did that. Now we are trading against the trend for this particular one, but as you can see, there have been multiple touches on that level, as we can see. So I'm expecting price to really push back. Let's properly analyze it. So we have multiple touch points on this level, and I'm expecting price to push again after touching that, after touching the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands, and also there should be an update in the fractal any time from now. So if we see the RSI oscillator, it's also giving a gradual reversal to the upward direction, which is indicating we're done with the sells, time to buy. Guys, literally the last second, we might lose this one. It's crazy, it's so tense. Shit, but we won. Damn it. Sweet, guys. The exit happened right at the last seconds, guys. So I mean, that is it. This is it, guys. This is trading. This is what trading feels like. It's exciting, guys. It's really exciting to make money by just sitting down and that's all you're doing, just using your head. I'm really satisfied with the results for today. I'm just gonna go ahead to withdraw. I think I'm done. I think I made enough money for today. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna use USDT, and the total amount of profits we made today is $1,847. That's crazy, guys. That's really crazy. Like, I'm really happy with the results for today. I'm really happy. Sweet, guys. So our process is done. We're gonna get our money anytime from now, guys. That is the strategy that made me over $1,800 in profits. Of course, I took kind of a big risk. That's why we had that huge figure, but it's possible. Like, that's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, this is possible with trading. If you're just starting out, join my free Telegram group. It's in this the description of this video. You don't want to miss it. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you haven't liked, subscribe, do that stuff. Come on. I don't want to tell you about this. Like, I'm not begging for subscribers, but like, it's for your good if you subscribe, because I mean, I'm gonna keep on dropping the sauce. So if you want the sauce, you know what to do. Hit that button down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. For now, peace out. Happy trading.